Hi, ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you all and welcome to our channel. It's Authentic right here. So, in this particular video, we'll be talking about CS.io Power Tap airdrop, latest updates, and how you can position for the upcoming airdrop. Right, so there are informations on the channel that I really want us to highlight on. Then I'll show you guys what you have to do at the ending part of the video, right? So do well to stick around and also make sure you stick around to the last so that you position yourself in the right direction. So if you are participating in this project called CS.io or you have initially participated in it, then this particular information is for you. And should in case you have not started but you are interested in joining, I will advise you to get started. Though this particular project is being hosted on Telegram, but it is an exchange token. It is the native token of CS.io exchange. So I believe by now those of us that has joined must have downloaded the exchange and get ourselves verified and stuff like that. So definitely this is not a Telegram project, so they will be transitioning from Telegram to the real app anytime soon. So do well to get on board this project. Okay, so now quickly before we proceed, let's go and see the latest information, or let me say the information that I would have really want to share with us, which is about the airdrop. So this particular post was made, they say last week. Okay, not this particular one, sorry. I think I'll scroll up a bit to get the information concerning the airdrop. Okay, all right, so this is it. They say pre-qualification, get ready for pre-qualification. Important announcement: pre-qualification for the airdrop coming soon. The pre-qualification process will soon be available and requires 4 simple steps. So 4 simple steps for you to get qualified for the airdrop. The first thing is to verify your email address. Hope you guys are seeing where I'm reading from. Verify your email address. The second one is to verify your Telegram ID. Then the third one is to connect your wallet. The fourth one is to enter your Be Sexy code, right? So they say Be Sexy will share detailed instructions for completing each step in upcoming posts on the Be Sexy portal and social channels. So do well to make sure you are following Be Sexy on Telegram and on Twitter as well, so that you will stay afloat whenever there's any new update right there. Okay, they say join the portal now via the join Be Sexy task in CS.io Power Tap or visit the website. Okay, so don't miss this opportunity. Your path to rewards begin here. So I'm going to be leaving this particular link, which is the link to the task, in the description section and comment section of this video. All you have to do is just to tap on it for those that has not started and proceed. Okay, but if you have started, you can easily navigate it through the CS.io Power Tap dashboard. So this is how to go about it, and all you have to do. So I believe most of you guys already know about this project for those that have joined. So if you have not joined, do well to check the linked videos to this particular one. I'm going to be dropping some information we've made about this particular project so that you know how to get started and how to mine and everything. Okay, so now let's head straight to the task. Firstly, you have to come to the airdrop session right here. Either you follow the link or you come to the airdrop session. It's the same thing. Okay, so you click on the airdrop, then it will take you to the Be Sexy interface. They say welcome to the future of engagement tools. This project will change the approach how you spend time in Web3 space. So all you have to do is to click on get started. Okay, the reason why my interface is like this is because I've already positioned for this particular exercise. So out of the 4 requirements, firstly, they want us to verify our email. Secondly, verify our Telegram ID, connect our wallet, and submit the sexy code. Out of the 4 tasks, 2 are already available. Firstly, which is verifying your email and submitting the Be Sexy code. Okay, so for you that has not joined, once you enter this get started, they will prompt you to put your email address. Okay, you will be prompted to put your email address. Once you put your email address, they will send you 6-digit verification code to your email address. All you have to do is just to come back and paste it where it was provided. Okay, after pasting it, you click on verify. Then they will request you to enter Be Sexy code. Right, that Be Sexy must come from somebody that's already registered on the platform, right? So that is where I'm going to be dropping this particular code for you guys, or you can just copy it. So you have to make use of this particular code to get verified. Okay, so I'll still drop it in the description section and comment section of this video as well. So you have to copy it and paste that place they request you to enter Be Sexy code. That this code must have been from an existing member. Once you tap on it, then you click on send, then you will be verified immediately. Then you will get your own interface like this. Then you guys can see, I hope you guys can see my position right here. Then you too will be able to see your own position. So the more you share your own link to your partners, your colleagues, friends, and everybody, the more they are joining through you, the more you will be ranking high on the leaderboard. So I'm around 100k plus out of 11.3 million. So the more people you are getting under you, the more you rank higher in the leaderboard, right? But that is not a necessity. It's not compulsory for you to bring in people or refer. Just make sure you position, since you are participating in this project, okay? It's a crucial thing. So the two things available now is to verify our email address and verify the Be Sexy code. So whenever they drop the latest updates on how to verify our Telegram ID and submit the wallet, then I'll still get you guys updated on that. All right, so that is just that in this particular video. If you have not started with this project, get started immediately with the link in the description and comment section of this video. Then if you have not performed this particular airdrop task, still follow the link and get yourself positioned. Okay, so that is just that. Thank you guys for watching. Till I come your way, stay safe, keep winning, and bye for now.